Hey there, Jules here. Let's troubleshoot the case when the widget style is broken once filtration was applied. Proceeding to the direct example, I have the page with the properties. Here the checkbox filter that filters the facilities. Below is the listing grid with the types of properties and the favorites section with the listing grid as well. All is styled up differently. But once we start filtering, we have two identical results. Looks like the listing grid styles are broken. Hold on, the best price column in the footer is broken as well. It is also the listing grid widget. Gladly, it is so easy to fix. Technically, the styles are not broken. If to have a closer look and check the headers menu, as you can see, there is the grid with 4 posts in 4 columns, and all other grids on this page kind of grabbed the styles from this one in the menu after the filtration was applied. The thing is that once you have several identical widgets on one page and you have one filter set, you need to assign the filter to a specific widget. In my case, I wanted to filter the first grid on this page. So in order to assign the filter to a specific grid, first, let's provide the IDs to our listing grids. Open the page in the Elementor page builder, click on the grid, pick the advanced settings in the Elementor panel, and for the first grid, I put the 1 in the CSS ID field here. Let's repeat the same procedure for another grids on this page, but with the unique IDs, of course. For the favorites, that would be the fave. And do not forget about the same widgets in the footer and header if you have any. While I have them, I put the ID in the listing grid that is located in the footer. Okay, to put the ID to the listing grid in the menu, I would go back really fast to the dashboard, then Appearance tab, now Menus, click in Needed Menu item, Edit Mega Menu Content, put Menu as CSS ID and save the changes. Cool, now I can proceed to the filter settings. Go back to the page and let's show the filter which one grid needs to be filtered. I want to filter the first grid, so I simply put 1 in the Query ID field. Save the changes. Let's have a look if the issue is fixed now. Filter, and only the first grid is filtered out as it was originally planned. The styles of the rest of the listing grids stayed the same. That's it. May the Crocoblock power be with you!